The opposition remains very concerned about the weak state of the Jamaican economy, the continuing absence of credibility or certainty in relation to the nation's medium-term macroeconomic program, and the government's reluctance to provide the necessary details about Jamaica's options in relation to its arrangements with the IMF, particularly in view of the continued turbulence in the global economic environment. In a national broadcast on Sunday, the Minister of Finance finally publicly acknowledged that critical performance targets under the IMF Standby Programme had not been achieved. As a consequence, resources due from various multilateral institutions have been withheld from Jamaica. The Minister also acknowledged that the nation's budget passed in April, just 4 months ago, has been rendered obsolete. Even as the Minister of Finance finally recognized, however, belatedly, the public obligation of the government to report to the Jamaican people on the economy, the speech on Sunday gave no indication how the abject mismanagement of the country's financial affairs by the government is going to be corrected.